Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to create a video easily and freely on the Windows 11. Okay, let's get started. First, just go to Start and then just search for the Clipchamp. This one. Like this, Windows 11 comes with a free and fully functional video editor built right in like this. With Clipchamp, you can easily edit videos, add text, transition, music, effects, and many more. And what's even better, you can record your screen and webcam at the same time by click on this feature, record yourself like this, which is perfect for the tutorials, presentations, or maybe YouTube videos. And the best part, you don't need to download any extra software and it's already there. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.